Bonafide Hustler here, and I got some items I want to show you, and yeah, I just want to show them to you before they're gone. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, comes to you live from the inside of my house, and today I'm just going to show you some items. I think there's like 6 of them, and before they get brought to the antique booth or put in a box and thrown on my eBay wall, I just want to make sure I discuss these items with you. So let's go in the garage and check out the, oh, no, we can't go in the garage yet. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, all right, the Bonafide Hustler, and also get the free guide, which is the first link down below. I think it'll really help you out a lot, especially if you want to learn 50 items, you know, that you can buy and resell. Now we can go in the garage and check out those items. Oh man, I'm gonna do one of those like little, what is it, you know, like the hand holding thing that you see on Instagram? Here we go. Come with me, come on. Come to the garage, I'll show you cheddar. Man, those pictures are so stupid. All right, we're in the goddamn garage, the Bonafide Hustler garage. It's everything garage. It's my other channel, it's this channel. It's the goddamn gym, right? So we got some items right here. Some you'll see on a garage sale right along, but I'll just kind of show you this stuff right now. I'm about to go to the antique booth and I wanted to show you these things. Okay, check this out. This is a Goodwill. This is from a Goodwill the other day. I think the price tag's still on like $5. LA Gear, vintage LA Gear shoes. That's pretty cool. I should probably look this up on eBay before I even take it to the booth. Look at that, right? Oh my gosh. Probably gonna ask around 40 bucks for them. We got the stereotypical nice 1991 LA Gear tag right there. That is awesome. They're in really good shape, actually. You know, so, and I love the dual colored laces, or the duo color laces. Pretty neat. So yeah, what do you guys think of that? Check that out. I don't know what that thing is right there, but I mean, that's just neat. If these were guys, oh my gosh, or high tops for men, I would totally wear them. $1 at a garage sale. This kind of stuff sells really well in my booth for around 20 bucks. Just a random hat, nothing crazy. $1, and that's going in my booth for 20 bucks. About 2 weekends ago, I picked up these 2005 maybe Air Maxes. These are 2005 Nike Air Maxes. So it's like retro kinda. Pretty cool. Those were, I think, $2 at a garage sale, size 13. Still looking pretty nice. And I think I'm gonna ask around, I don't know, 30 to 50 bucks in my booth for these. What do you guys think down below? Am I kind of off base on that or what? They were really cool looking though, and they actually fit decent. I just really don't care for the style too much, but they are pretty neat, nevertheless. At a Goodwill, found some Chacos, right? And I think these were 15 bucks out the door. So Chacos, thin strap, toe loop, very important. So if you find these in the wild, and I don't know why it has this on there, but it looks like it's in pretty good condition. Flip it over, we have nubs on nubs. Can you see the little nubs on the nubs? Pretty nice. And then look back here, it's a women's 6. Hopefully it'll focus for a second. So yeah, it's a women's 6 with 2 dots on the side, left and right. If it had 2 dashes, this would be considered wide, but 2 dots are considered medium in Chaco land. So W6, a women's 6 with 2 dots on each, you know, side. That means it's a medium women's 6. And if it was a dash, it would be a wide one. Very good condition. These should sell for around 65, 70 bucks. Check out that deer right there. Yeah, that was 25 bucks at a garage sale. I'm gonna be asking around 200 bucks in my booth for that. Pretty neat. I sold one the other day for like 130, or was it 120? Either way, really good condition deer going into the booth today. What else we got here? A really colorful jacket I paid 20 bucks for. There's a no name to this jacket. It's not some Balenciaga thing or whatever. It is just a colorful jacket, all right? So my bet is it'll sell for around 80, maybe 100. It's neat looking though, that's for sure, right? Color up your life, guys. Look at this thing. Super cool. I could wear it, but it's a little on the short side. So if it was a little bit longer, I would wear it. It's very wild looking. So this was 20 bucks. I'll be asking around 80 to 100 in the booth for that. It'll probably sell because we're in the perfect season for it. Are you liking the finds? There's one other one right here that's pretty cool. I think I spent 25 for it. So let's have a look at it. Patagonia down puffer jacket. I think it was 25 or maybe 20 bucks. Either way, when you list Patagonia stuff, take a look at the tag, right? See that RN number right there? This is an RN 51884. So basically when you look this up on eBay, you can look it up through the RN number. But most important is, you know, that'll kind of tell you maybe what the composition is of the jacket. It could be that, you know, polyester kind of feeling, or it could be down. And you really want to buy the ones that are down. And if it's the poly one, especially with Patagonia or North Face, you're probably dealing with you know, Primaloft or something like that, or some synthetic fiber that doesn't compress when it gets moisture. But when you want to figure out what the material is in the jacket, you flip up the underside and it'll tell you right here. Content goose down. Goose down jacket, awesome. More than likely worth about $109, $110, something like that. And that was 20 or 25 bucks at a Goodwill. It's a pretty sweet find. Whoa, check this out. So I bought this at a garage sale for $1, right? I just realized this. So I bought this for $1, and then on the back of it, it has a Goodwill tag. Oh my gosh, for $7. Hey, I'm already in the cheddar. Look at that. I could sell this thing for $7. No, honestly, this will go in my booth for around, that's a good question, probably 20 to 30 bucks. Not too bad. Pretty cool looking. Nothing crazy, just a beer mirror. So yeah, it's a quick video. I just wanted to show you some finds and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, video coming out tomorrow, hopefully. Maybe the garage sale one, maybe it'll be something else. Maybe it'll be something RC related, because I have a new guide coming out pretty soon. So stay tuned for that. If you're part of my email list, then you'll see all kinds of reminders for it, but that's coming out pretty soon. But yeah, just a video before all this stuff gets processed. I want to make sure to teach you guys some things. Maybe you can make some money, you know, on your side with some of the tips I gave you. All right, that's pretty much it. I'll talk to you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.